my forest classroom friends. I am missing you so much, and I am missing going on expeditions with you. But I'm out on an expedition right now, and I'm hearing something. So I'm gonna follow the sound, and I wanted you to come with me. Let's go this way. Can you hear it? It sounds like ducks. Oh, take a look. There's water over there. Maybe it is ducks. Let's go a little closer. I don't see any ducks. So there's only one other thing I can think of that would make the sound like a duck on an early spring day. Let's sit for another minute and see if we hear the sound again. My friends, that's the sound of the wood frog. It's one of the first frogs to start singing in the springtime. And I think they're really happy that you're here with me. I hope you get out for an expedition today and you see or you hear or you discover something really exciting, or you just have fun being outside in nature. I'll see you later. Bye, friends. If you have enjoyed this video, please visit our website to learn more about what we do and consider making a donation.